So today my best friend Becca is going to be rating them Fidgets.
Yeah.
So she's going to be rating them out of 10. Wait. Before we start, let's do a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell challenge. Let's hit it with your thumb.
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you did it, give yourself a pat on the back. And even if you didn't do it, still give yourself a pat on the back.
Even if you like, still just give it a pat.
So we are going to be starting off with the pink Fidgets.
I give this one a...
No, don't go that fast. So we've got this little stress DIY like squishy thing. What do you give that? Play it. I'll get it.
I give it a 5 out of 10.
She gives this a 5 out of 10.
And then I give this...
It's a fidget cube.
I gave it to her this morning.
Because she's the best friend ever.
I give it a 10 out of 10 because it's the best.
Yeah, these are the best. I'm really addicted already to this switch. And then we have this light up Orby stress ball. It you just gotta smack it and it lights up.
I give it a 10 out of 10.
And now for this bunny squishy. It smells really nice.
10 out of 10. And then we got this little cute little 5.2.
This one.
Yeah, I give it a 5.2. And then we got these, the little little animal.
They're little animal noodles. Where's the one with the face on it? There it is. Little caterpillars. My sister hates these. So what do you give those?
10 out of 10. And then we got this little thing. I don't know what it's called, but
I don't know what it's called either. You can just fidget with it. It's really fun.
Yeah.
So what do you give that?
1 out of 10.
What do you give this?
She just made this one. I give it a 10 out of 10. And then this one's like the best. 5 out of 10. It's good, but I give it a 5 out of 10 mile.
Now on to orange and yellow.
Orange and yellow. I give this pineapple squishy a 5 out of 10.
You keep dropping everything.
I give it a 5 out of 10 because the pineapple head fell off. And then she made this one out from a candy wrapper. 10 out of 10 because it's fun.
No, that's not one.
This one's orange.
This one's orange. It's like an orange squishy. What do you give that?
10 out of 10. And then we have...
I'd give it a 5 out of 10. I don't really like these.
And then we give it 2...
We've got two of these. Show them to the camera. That's mine. No, not hers.
Even they smell nice.
8 out of 10. I give it that.
I'll give these...
No, what do you give these? I give it an 8 out of 10.
Yeah, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. I give these little ball things like 10 out of 10 because they're fun.
I don't like these.
I'm going to have a shower. If Uncle Nick rings me to the phone, don't answer it if it's anybody else.
All right.
Unless it's Riley.
Of course.
It'll be quieter because the baby's sleeping.
And then we have this little thing.
It's a styrofoam glow in the dark stuff.
I give it a 10 out of 10.
And then we have, it's glow in the dark. We have this. I like doing that.
I like popping it like that.
Yeah, I like doing popping it like that and going like this.
Now next color is green.
Let's start with this. Don't do that. So actually we're going to start off with my Nido. What do you give this?
A 10 out of 10 because it's fun.
Yeah, I love my Nido.
And it's so soft if you drop it. It's like so soft it doesn't...
If you drop it, look, ready? It bounces.
Yeah. And if you drop it on your foot, it doesn't hurt.
Yeah, it doesn't
It's so
hurt.
soft.
I didn't get it on my foot, but it doesn't hurt.
Yeah, I'll try.
Yeah, it doesn't hurt.
Yeah.
It's just like rubber and stuff inside.
And then we got these two
Other
little
things.
things.
We're just gonna skip these because they're the same as
The pigs.
There's different colours. And then, did you do this? We've got a really nice water bottle squishy.
Yeah.
We've got another water bottle squishy for the light blue, but it sucks.
Is that?
So we've got,
That is?
yeah, there's a poppet in this one, but I left it in the car, sadly. So I personally give this fidget an infinity and beyond. Avocados from Mexico. Avocados from Mexico. I love this fidget.
Because it's so cute.
Yeah, I love it.
I give the puppet 10 out of 10.
I give the poppet 1,000 out of 10.
Yeah, me too. No,
And then we-
trillion out of 10.
Infinity and beyond. And then we have these. We already rated those.
And then we have this.
Wait, what did I rate this in?
Yeah.
We've got two of these. But
And then we have this little thing.
okay, broken slinky.
And then we have this
This.
little thing.
Clicker. So that's for the green. Wait, what do you give the clicker?
Oh, 10 out of 10. And then I give this one 5 out of 10.
Because
And then this one.
1,000 out of 10.
Yeah.
Well, now we're onto the blue. So we got this really bad water squishy. I don't like it.
And then we have this blue
Water
squishy.
squishy that I made yesterday. It's got a little tape thing.
Yeah, I was with her last night. Made it yesterday. Remember? Last night?
Yeah, and then moving on to blue. Don't do that. Where's things? So we've got another blue squishy. What do you give this? We're just gonna skip all of these because they're basically all the
That's
same.
2 out of 10.
Yeah.
And that's
And then we have this. It's like a
5 out of 10.
like tangle kind of.
And then this is water thing, like a water thing, but
It's like a cap that you just screw in, screw off.
10 out of 10 because it's so much fun. And then
No, there's nothing in there.
purple now.
So we've got.
I give this one a 10 out of 10 because it's so much.
No, there's nothing left in it. So it's a DIY marble mesh.
Yeah.
I have got a YouTube video of that.
But we're on YouTube, remember?
And then we've got. This is like rainbow and like silver and white and black.
Okay. And then we have a fidget spinner.
What do you give that? I give that 10.
Yeah.
I love this.
And then we have this little thingy, the 2 keychain things. I give it a 10 out of 10.
It's a DIY bike train. I also have a video of that.
And this one, it's like so much fun.
Fidget pad thing.
Yeah. 10
And
out
then
of
we have this. What do you rate this? Play with it.
20 out of 20. I don't know.
20 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Because that makes 20.
What do you give this? This is like a pad that you can roll your fingers around.
10
Play
out of
with
10.
pom-poms. I love this.
And this one's 10 out of 10.
It's like a slider and then you can undo it. It makes really nice sound.
This is 10 out of 10.
It's like a kind of DIY simple dimple. I think I have a YouTube video of this. Do I? I think I do. What else is left in here?
Oh, it's
So we've got this Rubik's thing. I solved the green.
and snake.
What do you give the Rubik's thing?
10 out of 10. And
She
that's-
gives this 10 out of 10.
And that's 10 out of 10.
She gives this 10 out of 10.
Guided.
Sure.
I'll give that 10 out of 10.
Because it's rainbow and you can like.
Play around like forget and
And
I think that's it.
sorry, I think
That's
that's it.
Yeah, bye.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was really fun making.
And make sure if you subscribed, it's okay if you don't, dislike.
Well, yeah, anything.
Yeah.
So Becca, carry me out of the camera.